This one-day reflexology workshop is a very hands-on practical day. Probably about 75% of the day is learning practical reflexology techniques. We concentrate mainly on relaxing our clients and show you lots of techniques to use through the feet for relaxation and grounding. We then concentrate more on working the skeletal system, so the neck, shoulder and spine, again through foot reflexology techniques. We'll give you one of these lovely colour booklets to take home at the end of the day with lots of photographs in of all the techniques that you've learned, so that you can just jog your memory once you're at home. So if this sounds like something that you have been thinking about or you could benefit from attending, then we'd love to see you at one of our introductory reflexology workshops.